Hello and welcome to Odoo Gap. I'm Enrique and today I want to talk with you a little bit about barcodes. This is really useful for warehouse people so they don't have to do nothing manually. You just simply need to have a barcode scanner and you can make your job really easy. So first things first, let's come here on settings in Odoo and let's make sure that in our inventory this box is filled in so that we can have a barcode scanner. Here we can actually take a look of our shortcuts. So this means when you scan this barcode, it goes to the main menu. If you want to validate it, you just select this one. It will be pretty useful and I'm going to show you in a second how to do it. So I have one product. Here it is, products. My life jacket, I have 20 units of it. And it's really important that you select a barcode to each product. It's storable, per product category, it can be sold, it can be purchased, but the barcode is the main thing because now I can just come here and print the product label. And here it is. This is my product label with the barcode related to it. So let's come back here. Nevertheless, don't forget that when you're making a purchase, and this is all pertaining, of course, if you are setting it up, just make sure that you put an address and an email for your fake supplier. So let's come back here, purchases, and let's create one. So it's survival boat, and we're gonna buy some life jackets. Some life jackets. Let's say we're gonna buy 10 of them. Yeah, confirm order and our receipt, and from here we're going to print our picking operation. This picking operation is where our warehouse people can check the unique receipt that we have here. So now we can come back to our barcodes app. Let's just zoom in a little bit on this and let's scan it. Let me just turn off my keyboard. Let's just scan this and let's see what happens. It automatically went to my receipt where it says that I'm expecting to get 10 life jackets to my warehouse stock. So now I can just come back down here and there's my product barcodes and I start checking them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. So everything seems fine. I have my 10 life jackets. Now I'm ready to validate. I could do it with my mouse now, but I'm going to show you how easy it is with these shortcuts. So let me just move it a little bit here, zoom a little bit and validate. Yeah, so I can come back here. Here it is. So now I just scan the validate option and the transfer has been validated. We can come back here and just confirm that we indeed have now 10 more products. We had 10, now we have 20. And another really useful thing that you can do with barcode, it's just come here and make inventory adjustments. This is pretty useful because you just have to come here and grab your each products and start picking one by one until you make the end of your inventory adjustment. So as we saw, we have 20 life jackets, but let's say that we only can count 10 because there was a mistake. So we come here and we start counting them. So I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. I'm supposed to have 20, but I only count 10. I come back here to my barcodes activation and I select validate. Let me just select here because normally you'll mostly have this on paper. We're just trying to save some paper. And we validate. And your inventory adjustment has been validated. We're going to go back here once again and confirm and see that Odoo did everything right. As you see, on hand, life jackets, 10 units, everything worked with Barcode. As you see, it's really easy, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed and you understood everything. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any doubts, and thanks for watching.